Exelon has developed a subcontractors module, not to be confused with the contractors module. This is for the subbies, the guys who do the roofs and walls and slabs and whatever. So I'm going to go in now. I could be a subcontractor who's been working on this on a project for a long time, but this is the first time that I'm going into the subcontractors module. So I would click there. Then I would have to enter my cell number. Say that's a cell number. Go next. Then it's going to ask me for my ID number to confirm that I am who I am. And the subcontractor has to be on this pre-created on the system for this to work. So it can't just be somebody off the street who's never been captured. So he goes to next. Then he has to create a PIN, and so we create that PIN. We say next. Okay, it says your PIN created, you logged in. Now this particular subcontractor has been allocated to this project. So that's the only project that comes up. It's the only one he's allocated to. The first thing he can do is he can send a message to management. He can say, it's been raining. I want more work. Doesn't matter what he says. It's just an example. And he sends a message. And it'll say your message has been sent. Okay. So that's the first thing he can do. The next thing he can do is he can look at all his contracts, the ones that have been allocated to him. It shows you the contract number, the lot number, the structure, and the contract header. It'll also show you any inspection requests that he's made in the past, the invoice date, and the amount. Now, normally these would be blank because all these jobs have been completed. But this is just the one that we've chosen for the test. Let's say that I want these to be, I'm the subcontractor, I want these to be inspected. So I would click there and then say request inspections on the selected. And then you'll see the dates come up. So these will now appear in the site manager's interface. Now you can also look at available contracts. These are contracts that haven't been allocated to anybody yet. They are available. The lot number, the applicant name, everything is in there, the BA number, the structure that's available, and the contract header, which shows you the type of work related to that structure. Now, these available structure and contract headers are available. This is the next phase in the construction for these lot numbers. So, but they haven't been allocated. So he might apply for those and say request selected contracts. In this case, it'll say you've already requested this one because we've been testing, so we've already requested, but otherwise it'll say you have requested these contracts. Say okay. So we've shown you where you can send a message. We've shown you where you can view his contracts and request inspections on those contracts. We've shown you where you can look at available contracts, which are these, and where you can apply for those contracts. Okay, that's all there is to the subcontractors module. The next part is the site manager's interface. Now the site manager comes in. He enters his cell number, and I'm just going to use that because of privacy. He has to check this box. Next. Enter his PIN or password. This guy's already been created, so it's not going to ask for ID number or anything. Okay, then he goes to project, and he can see all his projects. He might have more than one. The site manager has these three options. He can view inspection requests. Yeah, it'll show him the lot numbers, the contract numbers, the lot numbers, the structure, and the contract type. And it'll show you the dates. So he can now send out his foreman to go and inspect those. These dates probably wouldn't be there because I'm using examples that have already been completed, but normally they wouldn't be completed. You'll see the dates change from when I tested before to today's date where I entered these few, yeah. Now you'll see it for all the subcontractors. Everybody's requesting. So his foreman will look at those sites and go and do the inspections. The next thing that he's got is he can look at who tendered for contracts. In this case, there's only one subby that we've tested, and those are the dates that he requested. His name's Tobokani, and these are the lot numbers, and those are the contract headers. So these are the ones that he is asking for. Now it's up to whoever allocates contracts to take that into consideration to see if they want to give it to him. The next thing is you can look at subcontractors messages. So he clicks there. Yeah, you can see the messages, and he can see he can say, okay, I've read that one, I've read that one. Finalize it, so it goes away. And that's it. That's the whole subcontractors module.